Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Samsung A14 message notifications not working issue. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and open apps. Now in apps, scroll down and here open messages. Now in messages, force stop the messages app. Click on this force stop option and then click OK. And after that, go back and then open battery and device care. And after that, scroll down and click on software update. Now here, click on download and install to update your mobile software to latest version. Now after updating, go back and then scroll down and open general management. Now in general management, scroll down and click on reset. And after that, scroll down and here click on reset all settings. Now here click on reset settings to confirm.